Welcome back, my friends. We're going to find out which household material is the best fire starter for your magnesium rod. Is it jute, cotton, I see you again, or cardboard? Which one is best? We shall see.
The point is to test each fire starter one by one.
Number 1, the cotton pad. I think this one is gonna start really well. There we go. Cotton rope. Doesn't want to start. Boo. Boo. Hemp fiber. Let's see. I think this one is gonna go really well. Oh, I'll leave it like that. Yay! Hemp is good. Not only for fire. Let's see how it goes. One more try. One more try and I declare it a fail. Just when I was wanted to declare it a fail. Okay, stop. Stop burning. Nope, cardboard doesn't start. The toilet paper. Hey, what's going on? I thought this one is gonna be really good, but apparently not so good. Boo. And our number 6 contestant is surprise, surprise. Sugar. Does it light or does it not? Let's see. sugar doesn't burn. Yet. Okay, so the winners for our contest are cotton pads and jute or hemp fiber. Hemp is a little bit thicker than jute. So jute has finer fibers. It would be even better than hemp. But hemp and cotton pads lit up really nicely with our magnesium rod. So these are the natural fire starters that you can take from home. Second level was box tissue and toilet paper. And the ones that didn't even lit up were cotton thread. This was a surprise for me. And cardboard. But we shall see in the next round with level 2 fire starters that the situation might change. For level 2 fire starters, we're going to use Vaseline, lighter fuel, wax, and also our good old alcohol. Stick around to see the results.